How was the weekend?
It was nice. Enjoyed the weekend.
Great.
Did a little jazz at Cliff Bell's. Downtown's nice.
Oh, okay. Brent Jaffe, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. But yeah, so my apologies.
What is your client's name?
Guggenheim is the last name.
Guggenheim. Okay,
Esther Guggenheim.
Are you driving?
No, I'm parked right now, Your Honor.
All right. I'll give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, then you know what to do. If the officer does not appear, then you know what to do.
I appreciate that, Judge. Can I jump back? Can I jump back in at 9:30 then?
Absolutely.
Or I mean 9 o'clock. All
Absolutely.
right, thank you, Judge.
All right, be safe.
Okay, thanks so much.
We can run that Gooden license as well.
The Guggenheim, you said?
The Gooden coming out
Oh,
now.
good, okay,
Good morning
okay.
to you,
Good morning.
Officer Wilson. Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Laura.
Good morning, how are you?
How was your weekend?
Wonderful, how about yours?
Good. Good. Too fast, huh?
That goes without saying, really.
Good morning to you, Ms. Harris.
Anyone talk to Miss Mathis? No, she's doing.
I did.
Yeah.
She said she
Good
was
morning,
doing
Your
good.
Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Harris. She said she's doing good, Officer.
Yeah, she did. She said even adjusting to the difficult times, but doing good.
Thank you.
You
Yeah.
okay, Ms. Harris?
2 days ago.
Good, thank you. I think I just have a cold.
Oh, okay.
Seriously, it's raw honey. Sounds like.
Mr. Officer Wilson has a cure for it. He said raw honey.
I'll give that a try, but medicine ball from Starbucks sounds even better.
That's a good one.
You could do both, Attorney Harris.
Medicine from Starbucks?
Medicine ball from Starbucks. It's
Oh.
a
It's a
specific drink for that.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Mhm.
Oh my gosh. They get you everywhere.
You don't like that. I knew he was gonna come like that.
Now Starbucks is in the healing industry now. Oh, shoot. And people, hey, and people are buying it.
Yes.
That's true, it's true.
See, because it's really good.
They say it worked, Judge.
If it works, it works. I'm not, hey, you know what? If it works, I'm not gonna knock it.
Hi, Lauren.
Hello, hey, how you doing?
Did you leave a phone?
I guess I did, I didn't even notice.
I said, somebody left a phone. I said, who came to see me?
You couldn't tell by the dog on the front? It was.
Y'all have a good day.
You did too.
Thank
Good to
you so
see
much,
you.
Lauren, I appreciate it. I would have realized eventually.
Right. I don't get to speak out often.
No,
Yeah,
you
there you
don't.
go.
See you later.
Thank you.
All right, well, let's get going. I'm gonna start letting them in. Get this iPhone, see what it says. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Oh, you have to take the bonnet off, ma'am. There's just no bonnet.
The bonnet off.
Absolutely. What is your name?
Logan.
I can't see why you would come in, out in public with it on anyway, but
Because
that's
I'm
not.
at work.
What is your name, ma'am?
Tajane Logan.
Pardon me?
Tajane Logan.
Tajane Logan. Good morning to you, Ms. Logan.
Morning.
Your matter is set for review. I'm gonna get you out of here in short order.
Good morning. We'll be back, sir. Come on in and have a seat.
He's all right. All right, let's get going.
Morning.
Good morning. Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All rise. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning. You may be seated. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna get you out try to get you out in the order that you came in. I am gonna start with the reviews. And I would like to start by saying I had an excellent day yesterday. I was invited to Muhammad Mosque #1 with student minister Troy, and they had an excellent, just an excellent service over there, just speaking about peace, positivity, and helping and loving oneself and others. So start the week off very good this week after that. They encourage people to come by the mosque. You don't have to be a Muslim to do so, and they offer a very good service. Good morning. Get his Mr. Wilson. What is this?
Green, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Green.
Yeah, but I don't see him on the docket.
Lorenzo?
Yeah, I don't see Lorenzo Green. Let me look it up, Mr. Green. Good morning to you.
Green got a new phone, Judge.
Let's see. Lorenzo Green.
told me I could have, you told me, either to Zoom in, I have to come in after the Zoom.
Tomorrow,
It's tomorrow.
Yeah.
tomorrow. Today's the 27th.
Oh, my God, I don't have no way back now, could I stay back?
Hey, you can stay. It's open.
The guy, I had paid him, I had no money to get back down here.
All right, let's see if we can help. Let's see if we can help you.
You can do it today?
Yeah, we'll try. We'll try.
I'm sorry, I thought it was.
No worries. We'll try the best we can. All right, on the lastly, let's get that Motorola device, Motorola, can you unmute yourself and state your name? Oh, that's Mr. Maurice Littles. All right, let's get going. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Judge. Sorry about that.
Okay. Okay, you don't have to sign them. All right, I'll just put them in, leave them in the room. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tajane Logan, case number SP 1904574, counts 1 and counts 2. Good morning to you, Ms. Logan. State your name for the record, please.
Tajane Logan.
Ms. Logan, you were, you needed to do community service hours as well. Did you do any community service hours? You've gone inaudible.
The lady said that I have to wait on something in the mail to be able to start. And nothing.
Who's this? Who's the lady?
The lady that take care of the community service. The number that you gave me the last time.
Miss Shelton?
I'm the
Yeah,
first
so
one.
she said she was sending some information through the mail for me to know where I go to for community service. I have still not received that in the mail yet.
All right, so no community service.
As of right now, no.
All right, let's pass it. Mr. Green, did you have any issues?
Yes, sir. I had it took me like 2.5, 3 weeks to get in touch with him, but I got 14 hours of community service.
You got it done?
No, I got 10 left. It took me 2 weeks for them to actually talk to anybody.
Mr. Littles?
Yes, sir.
Did you have any issues?
No, sir. I did 8 hours of the 24 so far. I was just coming in to ask for an extension because I've been working a lot lately.
City of Detroit, let's pass Logan. City of Detroit versus Maurice Lamar Littles Jr. Case numbers SP 130450001, SP 1431944, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please.
Maurice Little.
All right, date and time is set for a review. You said you completed how many hours?
Just 8 so far.
All right, how long is it gonna take you to do the other hours?
Probably just a couple more weeks because I work a lot.
All right, just come back in 30 days, the 26th of August, If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Adonis Green, case number SP1, strike SP 1775748, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1778631, SP 1, strike that, SP 9917601. Mr. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Adonis Jerry L. Green, Sr.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
You have, how long is it gonna take you to finish?
I have 12 hours, so by the next weekend I should be done. I go
Come
on
back in
2.
2 weeks?
Huh?
Want to come back in 2 weeks?
Yes, sir.
August the 10th at 8:25. Wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Same to you, Your Honor.
All right. And Miss Logan, you haven't heard from anyone yet?
The lady, I heard from her, but she told me she had to send something through the mail and I still haven't got it in the mail because she said I couldn't go to community service until I got that in the mail to know where
See, August
I
2nd.
had to
Shelton.
show up on.
All right, I'm gonna get Ms. Shelton in here.
Are you muted?
Give me a few minutes.
I did call, no, and I sent an email, so we're
Okay,
just
thank you.
waiting for a response.
City of Detroit versus Rhonda Gray, case number SP 190-63681. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Your Honor, good morning to the staff.
Gray Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Gray.
Rhonda Gray.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Officer Jackson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Jackson, badge number 3919, 12th precinct.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time is set for a trial. Ms. Gray, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry's updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you ask the matter.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamar Legs, case number SP 11565-802. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherika here. It's P72832. On behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jamar Legs.
All right, good morning to you. Turn your camera on, sir. Everybody's got to turn their camera on. And be present, ready for court, dressed properly. Mr. Legs, where are you? I see that you got into a payment plan with everything but this one. So you need to add this to your payment plan.
I thought she added it.
I can't add it. You have to add it.
Yeah, no, I went down there and I asked her to add it to it. Like, I could try
Yeah,
again.
let me look at it again. When I just looked the last time, make sure I'm not mistaken. Everything but this one. So again, I don't know. I don't know what you want to do. You want to come back, or you just want to? I'll enter a not guilty plea, a $0 bond. I'll give you another 30 days to get it taken care of, or you can just pay it off. It doesn't matter. If you pay it off, if you pay that $240 off, we'll dismiss the case on that one. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, March the 26th at 8:25. All right.
Yeah, can you give me a ticket number so I can put it on the payment plan?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
SP 11565-802. SP 11565-802.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you. This individual, Mr. Reginald Lewis, this is City of Detroit versus Reginald Eugene Lewis, case number SP 189-8275, counts 1, 2, and 3. This is an off-docket matter. He matters in warrant status. We'll arraign him and get him a pretrial date. Purposes of appearance for the record, please.
Yes, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, good morning to you. State your name, please. Reginald Lewis. You have to unmute yourself, sir. I'll send you the prompt.
Reginald Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time. We'll call it set for Raymond on the bench warrant. I entered a not guilty plea on your behalf, gave you a $0 bond. I'm gonna give you a free trial date of August the 13th, 2026. That's to make sure we get your file up here. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. August 13th at 8:30, all right?
August 13th, 8:30.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you.
August 13th, 8:30.
Trey versus Carl Anthony Gardner, case number SP 1921964, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1921971. Appear for the record, please. Ms. Harris.
Sherika, here, on behalf of Mr. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Gardner, you have to press *6 to unmute yourself. *6 to unmute yourself, please. Mr. Gardner, press *6. All right, state your name. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Carl Anthony Gardner.
All right, good morning. The day is date and time is set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
He's in the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we would seek dismissal.
This was an improper plate matter, but any objection, Officer Jackson? She's got invalid insurance.
No, Your Honor, no objection.
All right. Dismiss, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Leah Ganson. I hope I pronounced it right, ma'am. If I didn't, I apologize. It's case number SP 1915181, SP 1915194, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Ganson.
Jalea Ganson.
Jalea Ganson, I'm sorry. And we have another case, a more serious case, City of Detroit versus Jalea Ganson, Z8101311. I don't know why that didn't come up on the summary. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today's date and time is set for a pretrial. Let me look at this. I am not going to give her a $0 bond, Mr. Berry. I'm going to give her a $500 personal bond. Ms. Ganson, I'm going to have you start the test 1 time per week. I'm going to order you not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer this matter to probation. Mr. Berry, you can speak with Ms. Ganson in the breakout room, and then you can get her contact information so probation can get in touch with her. I will, unless you're going to hire your own lawyer, I will appoint an attorney for you as well. Ms. Ganson, when you see the prompt, join the room and speak with Mr. Berry, and he could get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, trial. Join the room and we'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Are we ready on it? No, we're not. All right. So let's not go back on the record. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney now. Good morning, Officer Williams. I can start letting some people in. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Dejanay Gooden?
Not you, ma'am.
Not
Good
me?
morning to you.
Okay, good morning.
I'm sending you the prompt on the iPhone. All right, there we go. Good morning to you, ma'am. Is that ma'am or sir with the headphones on and the headgear on? Good morning to you. What's your name?
Please say that one more time.
What's your name, please? Turn the TV off or mute.
Give me 1 second.
No, what is your name?
My name Ariel Ginyard.
Ginyard, take the scarf off your head. Good morning to you. On the telephone at 313-721-7901. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Taylor.
Say that again.
Carolyn Taylor.
Taylor?
Yes.
Good morning to you, Miss Taylor. I don't know if you're on the docket. Ginyard, take the scarf off your head, please.
I have my phone. I don't have that on. I have a different phone because my phone number is off. My phone number is 248.
Hold on.
Investigators crossed the parking lot. Neighbors who got reported hearing gunshots the night before.
Who's got the that's Ginyard. You gotta mute your background too. Taylor?
Yes.
All right, let me look you up. Is that your full name?
Yes, Carolyn Taylor.
Do you have a case number?
Yes, sir. SP. Oh, hold on. Let me find it. SP 117-5798. No, a minute. That's wrong. Wait a minute. 117-57892.
Okay.
Okay.
I see you're supposed to be, you have, your date is, August the 4th, Ms. Taylor. August the
No, they
4th.
told, I know they
What?
told me to call in early because I had my phone is off for my phone, and I'm supposed to have the notice my warrant was picked up. I had a bench warrant, and when I talked to the judge, he said to find out, and I talked to the lawyer already. They said it was gonna drop everything, and I have to pay it by the 4th. If I could pay off my warrant, my bench warrant before the 4th, and they would drop the rest of the tickets.
Ms. Taylor,
Yes, sir.
your next court date is August the 4th at 8:35 in front of the Honorable Ramsey Heath.
Okay.
Let's see. Ramsey Heath, August the 4th. You want her
Okay.
Zoom ID?
Yes, sir.
Ramsey Heath's Zoom ID is 360-437-0000. That's 360-437-0000.
Wait a minute. Do it again. 467.
360
360
437
437
0000. That's August the 4th
Okay.
at 8:35 in Judge Ramsey Heath, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning to you, Counselor.
Morning.
You said Lewis? You said Lewis is your client?
No, Lloyd Gold.
Golden.
Oh, Goldman.
Spell Lloyd for his first name.
Lloyd Edward Goldman.
Good morning, officers and corporal.
Good morning.
Lloyd Golden is here.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Gardner.
No, Gardner, Mr. Gardner.
Ganson.
Not Mrs. Harris.
Requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gardner, a trial?
Yes, sir.
Come back on August the 13th at 9 a.m. trial day, August the 13th, 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You as well, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Marquise Garrett. Case number SP 142-62781. SP 187-84491. Appearance for the record, please.
Marquise Garrett.
So on behalf of Mr. Garrett.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is the date and time is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
My client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Well, you are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Garrett, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
See the prompt, join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Ganson. Miss Ganson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial. Her number is in the chat.
Ganson needs an appointed attorney though, doesn't she?
Yes, she does, Your Honor.
It has the, excuse me, it has the wrong number. It's 695-2982.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Okay. All right. All right. Are the last four the good?
Yeah.
All right. Officer Lightfoot, good morning to you. Can you take your hat off, please?
Yes, sir.
And then mute your background, please. Good morning to you. I'm gonna.
I said, at your church. You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to Ms. Ganson, I'm gonna mark the file needed appointed attorney. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be the probation department and the appointed attorney. If you don't, here's the deal on the testing. Today is Monday. I expect to test this week. If it gets toward the end of the week, I'm going to give you the number to probation. You have an ink pen ready?
Yes.
The number to probation is 313-965-3414. You should not have to call them. They should call you. But I give you that number because today is Monday. I expect to test this week and every week thereafter until the case is absolved or the conditions change. If you get toward the end of the week and you see that probation department has not called you, I need you to be proactive. I want you to make sure that you either get in touch with the court so we can get in touch with them for you, or that you get in touch with probation, get in touch with someone to make sure that you have that test. Now, I expect the test to be negative. I see that there's a positive test. If I see that there's a missed test, or I see that there's a diluted test, then we're going to up the ante on the bond. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You have any questions, ma'am?
No.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, and we'll see you back on August the 13th, 2026. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Good. This is the city of Detroit versus LaKendra Nicole Lofton. Case number SP 1924553, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lofton.
I don't know who that 36 District Court 540 is. I don't know if I trust that. Ms. Lofton, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please? Can we check Marquise Garrett's license?
Yes.
Where's Ms. Lofton? Yep, unmute yourself, ma'am.
LaKendra Lofton.
Is that LaKendra Lofton?
Yes.
I don't know how you're doing that. Muted. Today is the date and time. It is set for
Pre-trial.
pre-trial. Ms. Lofton, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You may want to turn off your camera, ma'am, to help this go a little smoother. I see you now. Turn off your camera and then join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry, and he may get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marquise Garrett. Ms. Harris, Mr. Garrett has a valid driver's license.
He also has valid insurance.
All right. Dismissed for providing valid documentation, sir. But you do have a lot of civil infractions that you owe the court, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. If it's
I also,
go ahead.
I also had a CPL ticket on there. I also went and got that.
Yeah, that's too old. That's too old for us to deal with.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Dewan Terrell Glover. Case numbers SP 11507851, SP 1398873, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1419465, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1921172, counts 1 and counts 2, and the state of Michigan versus Dewan Glover, case number SX 402-93611. Appearance for the record, please.
Dewan Glover.
Okay, here it's on behalf of Mr. Glover.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time is set for a pretrial. Other matters in warrant status for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Michael, dance mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. If your ink pen is ready, Ms. Harris. License improper, no insurance misdemeanor, drove while license suspended, no insurance misdemeanor, license improper, and drove while license suspended. Mr. Glover, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Join the room.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lofton. Ms. Lofton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Ms. Lofton?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on August the 13th at 9 a.m. August the 13th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Rhoda Gilliam. Case number SP 101-83891. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gilliam.
Rhoda Gilliam.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date
Good
and
morning.
time is set for arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment,
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gilliam, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Good morning to you, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
iPhone, good morning to you. Can you state your name? Unmute yourself, state your name, and turn your camera on and state your full name, please.
I'm trying to figure out how to work this right now.
All right, what is your name, sir?
Mariano Gibson.
Gibson, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Lorenzo Green. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Go get Mr. Green. Mr. Green, Judge. Yeah, bring him in.
What's up, man? Hang up?
No, he doesn't have to hang up. I won't put him in the room yet.
Mr. Green?
Lala. Lala, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Lala, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please? Good morning to you. All right, let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting another pretrial date, but we're also asking if the court could inform us as to whether there are any reinstatement fees that need to be paid or could be paid up front.
I don't see any. I'm going to give him a pretrial date of August the 13th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Glover, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Deshauna and Gooden. Did I get that pronunciation correct, ma'am?
My name is Tanya Lester.
It's Dejanay Gooden.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gooden.
Good morning.
Dejanay Gooden, case number 2677-09341, 2677-09351. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Dejanay Gooden.
All right, good morning to you. Today as the date and time is set for a did we run her license? The license is valid. It is set for a pretrial. Ms. Gooden, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You said the license is valid?
It's valid, yes. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gilliam. Ms. Gilliam, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Ms. Gilliam?
Yes.
All right, trial is going to be August the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
What time was that?
9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. Jose Simon Lil.
Sí, señor.
Buenos dias, necesitas interpreter?
Sí, señor.
All right, un momento.
Okay.
Can we get an interpreter, please? It's coming out two different ways.
Okay.
I printed both of them. City of Detroit versus Roderick Goodson, case number SP1170896, counts 1 and counts 2, SP971266, counts 1 and counts 2, U460200318, and 1838388671, 1848656061. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodson.
He was supposed to be here all last week. I don't know if is he still here? Is he here? Roderick Goodson? Not getting a response. Unmute yourself, Mr. Goodson. Roderick Goodson.
I'm here.
Did we ever get in touch with, did Ms. Shelton come for Logan? Roderick Goodson, state your name for the record, please.
Roderick Dwayne Goodson.
All right, Mr. Goodson, we'll call today the date and time set for arraignment on the warrant. Purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. What about that Roderick Goodson printout I just printed in there? Is that up there?
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, that's all right. We don't need a 5 because it's not one. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Mr. Goodson, you missed your court date last week.
Yes, sir. I have problems with it.
You can't keep missing court dates, all right?
Yes, sir.
Were you appointed an attorney?
No, sir.
Would you like an attorney appointed for you?
Yes, sir.
All right, I need a good phone number. If you don't want to say it out loud on Zoom, you can put it in the chat.
Oh, I can say it out loud. 313-878-2835.
2835. I'm going to request an appointed attorney. I'm going to set a pretrial date of August the 13th, 2026 at 8:30. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir. August the 13th.
August the 13th, don't miss it.
Yes, sir.
I wanted her to, because she needs to speak with Miss, yes, please.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Gerald Anthony Dwayne Lewis, case number SP 1923793, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Gerald Anthony Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time is set for a pretrial. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Gooden. Ms. Gooden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Ms. Gooden, you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on August the 13th at 9 a.m., okay?
August the 13th at 9 a.m. Okay.
There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. Have
Thank
a very
you.
good day. All right,
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Wait, could you repeat that time one more time? August the 13th
At 9 a.m.
at 9 a.m. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Ariane Goodyear. Case number SP 1917420, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 191748001. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of defendant. Please state your name for the record.
My name Ariana Gilliard.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Ginier, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Green, good morning to you. Did you ever get a chance to get your license? You don't have to stand up.
Oh, no reason, because like my finance is still the same. I'm still.
Now, are you in street court?
Yeah, I'm with
Patel.
Yeah, I'm with
Okay. Let me see that. Can we get Mr. Green's file this tomorrow?
I pulled it for you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
I've been okay.
So.
Still looking for employment.
Okay.
I did have one call for interview, but I had no way to get there. I talked to Mr. Keith. I talked to him early in the week, and he talked to me, and he told me to keep doing what I'm doing. And I went to resource class. We had a resource class last week, so things are getting better. My sister bought me a phone. That's how I got a new phone.
Good. All right, give me 1 second. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gerald Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration and we'd seek dismissal.
Mr. Lewis, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Lloyd Edward Goldman. Case number SP 148-93241, SP 1901532, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goldman.
Lloyd Brown Golden?
No,
Lloyd Edward Gold. Lloyd Edward Gold.
Lloyd Edward Gold.
Yeah.
Very good. Good morning to
Okay.
you, Goldman.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Goldman, I'm going to put you on in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, you join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Goldman, your attorney is here. Well, he's in the building, so we'll wait on him to take care of your case.
Yes, sir.
And good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
Here, Mr. Golden is here.
Did our officer start to give me instructions?
Yes, he did.
Perfect, thank you.
Mhm. Mhm.
Good morning, Ms. Shelton, and good morning, Ms. Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I have Ms. Leo here. Shelton, good morning to you. I have Ms. Logan. Can you speak to Ms. Logan? She and give me an update on what's going on and when we can possibly get her scheduled for her community service. Ms. Logan, Ms. Shelton, please join the room and have a conversation, please. Counselor, I did see Counselor. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You're here for
Esther
Guggenheim?
Guggenheim. Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus this is the state of Michigan versus Esther Guggenheim and case number SX 47015391. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor, and to your staff, Attorney Scott Colassa, standing in for Attorney of Record Brent Jaffe, P84583, on behalf of Esther Guggenheim.
All right, day is, and that's for your client's presence, counselor, your retained attorney, and you have the permission to enter into the any agreement on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that, I'll waive the client's presence, day is date and time set for a formal hearing. We're looking for State Trooper Casano, badge number 149. Hearing no response, haven't seen that trooper in the room. You want to make your motion, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, I would move for the case to be dismissed.
All right, case dismissed, no officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Attorney Murray. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
You have Garrett.
Yes, he said he entered he was already been present and you guys dismissed for compliance for a driving license. I just wanted to confirm that.
Yes, Marquise Garrett, I believe, was dismissed for compliance. Right?
I'm sorry?
Marquise Garrett was dismissed for compliance.
Yes.
Yes. All right. If there's nothing further, thank you. See you soon. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Always a pleasure, Judge. Have a good one.
All right.
You prepared my shit for like 10, 11 o'clock.
Way to watch your mouth.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I have some things coming out as well. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you today?
What is your name, please?
LaShonda Gilboy.
Gilboy. Yeah.
Yes.
You have your cell phone, Ms. Gilboy?
You said who?
Were you appointed an attorney?
Yes, I will.
And do you know who that attorney is?
I do not know. I had a phone court date 3 weeks ago. It was over the phone. Court at 9:30 today.
8 and 9 a.m. 9 a.m.
Okay, so I'm not late, am I?
You're all right. We need
they told me 9:30.
don't worry about it. No, it's not a phone time.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
All right. Get her a Vice of Rights form, and then you're gonna take a phone call. You go out in the hallway,
Yes.
and we're gonna try to find out who that attorney is for you. Okay.
Okay.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Excuse me. Please turn that on that silent. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ginyard. Mr. Ginyard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial day.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's what you want, Mr. Ginyard?
Yes.
Come back on August the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I don't have to tell you, no do-rags or anything unless it's for religious purposes. And make sure your background is muted, all right?
All right, can you say the date again?
August the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I do wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Okay, let's see.
Good morning, Your Honor. To you too. My name is Emma Hernandez, SCAO qualified Spanish interpreter number 15575.
Yeah.
I'll find out. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you truly, accurately, and impartially interpreted the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
You solemnly swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Simon Leal Casido, case number SP 1921025, SP 1921024, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor José Simón Leal Caicedo, número de caso SP 192-10-25 y SP 192-10-241 y 42. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Okay, sí, señor.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, good morning.
On behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Mi nombre es Charika Harris y estoy representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
José Simón Leal Caicedo.
José Simón Leal Caicedo.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time and is set for a pre-trial. We'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, hoy es el día y la hora agendado para la consulta previa al juicio en su caso. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien va a intentar darle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación en su pantalla de ir a una sala de consulta privada, donde dice join, unirse.
Donde dice.
Ahí, ¿lo ve?
Transferir a
Join.
sala, ¿no? Ah, ya
unirse. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, we'll pass the matter. All right, Ms. Logan, let's go back on the record with Ms. Logan. Ms. Shelton, good morning to you. Thank you
Good
for coming
morning.
in. Did you have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Logan?
Yes, I did, Your Honor. There was some slight misunderstanding from Ms. Logan, not necessarily her fault. I don't think she realized that she was supposed to just call Miss Regina Logan, which happens to be the site supervisor, and her information was emailed directly to the site. So she didn't have to wait for it to come in the mail. And so typically when that happens, I call them, I give them a contact number, say, just call the site, schedule yourself with the site supervisor, your paperwork will already be there. So she's aware of that now. So she's gonna need an extended time just to get it done. She has Miss Logan's phone number to contact her. She doesn't have to wait for anything in the mail to come.
Absolutely. Okay, Ms. Logan, you're gonna contact Ms. Logan. All right. I'm gonna reset this for 30 days. I know it's a lot of hours, but come back on your first 6 hours so we can get rid of this no insurance proof. But I'm gonna reset this for 30 days to see where you're at, okay? August the 26th, 2026, if you get your first 6 hours done, let us know that first 6 hours are done, and we'll get this no insurance proof off of here, and that potentially can set you up to get a valid driver's license, okay? Any questions, ma'am?
No, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. And thank you, Ms. Shelton. Good to see you. Have a very good rest of your day
You
as
also,
well.
Your Honor, thank you. You also.
Yeah. Thank you.
He went on his phone. Yes. Yep. Oh, phone.
Ready as to Mr. Goldman, Your Honor.
You're back again? Hello?
Just a moment, Mr. Goldman.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goldman. Mr. Goldman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Mr. Goldman?
Yes, it is.
All right, trial date will be August the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Goldman, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay. And that was August the 23rd, you said?
Oh, August the 13th.
Okay.
At 9
a.m.
9.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
License is valid, Ms. Harris. This is the City of Detroit versus Ashley Bianca Janae Lohman, case number SP 192-3144, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Lohman.
Ashley Lohman.
Ashley Norman.
Yes.
All right, I can't see you, man. Okay, there you are. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lowman, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leal. Mr. Leal, I've given you an opportunity to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Señor Leal, le di a hablar en la sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
He has valid documentation.
Su señoría, él tiene documentación válida.
All right, I'll dismiss for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, sir, and best of luck to you.
Está bien, entonces, señor, yo voy a desestimar sus cargos por haber mostrado la documentación necesaria. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, eso es todo por hoy. Sus casos quedan desestimados. Que tenga muy buen día, se puede retirar.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good. All right, have a great day.
Igualmente, señor, que tenga excelente día. Your Honor, there is somebody else for me?
I don't think so. I don't see anyone. But I certainly appreciate it. If we do, I'll give you a ring.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye, everybody. Have a good day.
You as well. Bye-bye. City of Detroit versus Alexis Lawson, case number SP 192-170, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
My name is Alexis Lawson.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
On behalf of Ms. Lawson.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lawson, I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, can I ask what the full nature of the count 1 is? And if an attorney was requested?
Giving false information regarding an accident, drove while license never acquired, and there was another misdemeanor that it didn't seem to make it to the supplying false information at or ID to police officer didn't seem to make it to the docket, and it said fled scene of accident after operating at fault vehicle, once detained, gave false name, never acquired license, identified by second party as driver. No attorney was appointed. That's what the allegation suggests. All right, Ms. Lawson, join the room and speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Something's up with this one. Why don't we get these on the same page as well? I don't know why they're on a different page. I'll find out the spelling of the name at least. The driver's license number is there. You want to run her driver's license?
Yeah, that doesn't make, I mean, it's spelled the same.
It doesn't.
I don't know. Let me look. Hold on.
Maybe date of birth.
Yeah,
This
something.
one doesn't have date of birth.
Your Honor, I'm not ready, but Boyd Golden likely does want to try.
and let's get it together
Okay,
as soon as we can.
okay, perfect. I'm
Thank
just
you.
finishing on Ramsey Keith right now.
That's all. I talked to Mr. Patel. He said 10 o'clock. He'll be here.
Okay. Thank you.
He said Goldman wants to just try.
Golden, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Miss Horn, that Lloyd Golden appears that they want a trial, so I'm just letting you know that.
Your Honor, I was just checking on the status of his license. That's perfect.
All right, what about Gondor? He's set for trial. Can we get the status of Mr. Lloyd's license? What about Gondor? Ross is here. Officer Ross is here.
Yep, our offer would be a 3-month delayed sentence.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm not sure why that is. They have different date of births and they have different driver's license numbers.
Oh, they do have different driver's license numbers? Okay, well, it may be two different people.
That's what it's weird. It's in the system. It's a different address, but when it printed out, so I'm not sure if that.
All right, we'll figure it out. Okay. What about?
Is that for a Golden, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
Oh, this is something else. No, I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
I have him right here.
Run
I'm
that,
gonna look
please.
him
Yeah,
up.
thank
Yep,
you.
okay, yep, got it.
So I don't know what's up with that.
I can, I'll run the SOS on that one too, just to see if anything comes up on there.
Yeah, run both the SOSs, please.
Yep.
Ms. Harris is waiting on you and let's go back on the record with Ms. Lohman. Ms. Lohman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We seek dismissal.
All right, case is dismissed, Ms. Lohman. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Cartavion Green, case number, strike that, State of Michigan versus Cartavion Green, case number SX 4680145, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Cartavion Daryl Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time and is set for a pretrial. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, where does he appear on the docket?
On the second page, top, pretrial.
There he is. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Yeah, they're
Two different people.
two different people.
Okay.
And Mr. was that Lloyd Golden? He's suspended as well.
Okay. You're waiting on me, Mr. Berry? No. All right.
I'm sorry, excuse me. Ms. Gill
Boyd.
is going to stay on Zoom. She's leaving.
She what?
She's leaving.
What do you mean she's?
She said she wants to leave. She was going to stay on Zoom. She wants to leave.
She's gonna stay on Zoom. That's fine. All right. Ms. Till, good morning to you. Mr. Green, step up. Let's call the city of Detroit. This is tomorrow's docket, but he came in early. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Lorenzo Tony Green, case number SP 163-95282, SP 181-32114, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of Lorenzo Green, who is present in person in the courtroom.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Lorenzo Tony Green.
All right, good morning to you. We'll call the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Till, you can give us an update.
Yes, Mr. Green has almost completely completed the program. We're just waiting on one more thing from him. And he is set to graduate in August. Therefore, the date that we're going to need for him is August 25th of 26.
August 25th. August 25th.
Yes.
Will be the date.
All right.
August at 8:30. Congratulations. They tell me you're progressing very well. We hope we can get him some employment. He's looking for, the man is looking for a job. Anybody, everybody out here listening, they say that people don't want to work. Mr. Green is looking for a job. And he's got his resume in hand, everything. So if somebody wants to contact me, shoot me an email, is looking for a hardworking man that wants a job, then do so. We'll get you in touch with Mr. Green. But August the 25th will be the next date, Mr. Green. And mark that down in your calendar, August 25th. You want some paperwork?
No.
But so you don't get the date wrong.
No.
You got it? All right.
I'll be here.
All right. I know you will. August 25th, sir. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
I want to say, Judge, thank you. Like I went out Saturday, I went to car wash on the 16 hours. I went to Walmart. I'm doing what I want. I want to work with this.
Trust me, I believe you. Trust me. It's gonna come. It's gonna open up for you. All right. I guarantee you that. All right, Mr. Green. All right. We'll talk to you. Thank you, Ms. Till, for joining so quickly.
Absolutely. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. No license for Lloyd.
He's taking a plea.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I think he's in the main session.
All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Lloyd B. Golden. Case number SP 189-09911, SP 191-6725, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Lloyd Golding. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Mr. Golden, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Lloyd Brown Golden.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is the date and time is set for a trial. Officer Sarkeesian is here. He does owe $288 on an old no insurance proof. $288 on a old no insurance proof. That's what's probably preventing him from getting a valid driver's license. Nevertheless, today is the date and time set for trial. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to accept the people's offer. As part of the people's offer, the driving while license suspended would be amended to a failure to display with the remaining counts being dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Carpenter went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not? Or at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not? He's not answering that. Did you go over his advice of rights?
I did, Your Honor.
Did he go over it? Are you okay, sir?
You talking to me, sir?
Yeah, are you okay? You seem like
Yeah,
you're not
no, I'm
very
fine.
lucid.
I thought you
No,
was talking to the.
it seems like you're not very lucid, sir. Have you had any substances this morning at all?
No, coffee. That's it.
Well, it doesn't seem like it's working.
Okay, no, I thought you was talking to the attorney, so I didn't want to interrupt.
I understand that. I'm talking to you, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you haven't had anything but coffee this morning. Is that what you're telling the court?
Well, yes, sir. I smoked a cigarette and had a coffee. Played pool with my son for a minute. They went to court.
Did Mr. Carpenter go over your advice or rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 30th, 2026 at around 12:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Waterman and Goldsmith Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because I don't have one.
Very good. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal. No, strike that. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to
Yeah, failure
display.
to display, yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, fine. With that, failure to display $240. When can you pay it?
Am I able to make a payment plan, or do I have to like pay it all at once?
I'm going to mark the file, allow payment plan. I'm going to give you 30 days to get it together. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, or come on down to the courthouse on or before August 26, 2026, and get into that payment plan. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that it?
That's it for me.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
I'm going to set the matter for a pre-trial, Mr. Green. That date is set so that the attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by August the 13th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir. I got a quick question if you don't mind.
What's your question?
I thought today we already set it for trial, and I thought today was the day that we was supposed to look at the footage.
I have it set here for a pretrial. Oh, today was, that's what it is. We are supposed to look at some footage. Let's see if that footage is available. Let's pass it. Mr. Berry, approach Ms. Horn. I just have it set for a hearing, but I do recall that. Give me a
I'll talk to
second.
Ms. Horn.
Give me a second. Let's go with Alexis Lee Gondor. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Alexis Lee Gondor, case number SP 190-86491. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gondor.
Alexis Lee Gondor.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial. Officer Ross was here. They gave a 3-month delay on an allowing, which is no comments on the ticket at all. So I don't know what, I don't know what they're gonna do. Why don't you speak to Ms. Horn about Ms. Gondor as well? If Ms. Gondor wants a trial, then make sure that she gets the Officer Ross in here immediately, all right? Ms. Gondor, I'm gonna put you in the room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna see if he can work this out. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Officer Jackson, good morning to you. I don't see.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh, Evan Greer is here. Okay, he is here. Okay. Officer Sarkeesian, your matter has been, he took a failure to display, please. If there's
Thank you,
nothing
sir.
further, you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can we find out who his attorney is supposed to be, please? And find out who her attorney is supposed to be. She indicated that she wanted to, well, I don't think I have an appointment in her. So, I don't have an
Let's
appointment.
see, and let me just see, I can ask him
Yeah.
until I get him on the phone.
All right,
just
very
see if
good.
they-
You can ask about Cartavion Green too, then, just to be on the safe side as well. But I don't think he had an appointed attorney in Green. Ms. Horn,
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Green was here last time. We were supposed to be getting some footage.
Mr. Green.
Cartavion Green, he's at a pretrial.
Let's see.
Oh. That was with the trooper Hardaway. I remember that now.
And let's see, Hardaway. Let me see if I got anything.
Yes.
He did submit it, I thought.
Mhm.
That's when we had the hearing and we were talking about he pulled him over off of Davison and Ryan.
Oh, yeah. And he was in the right lane or continue.
Yes, something like that. I don't think Green has anyone.
Neither. Okay, thank you.
I'm reaching out to the trooper now, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But just Green, the only one we need is the one that's get Greer. I don't think we asked for one on the other two.
Correct.
Greer's here
He
for
can have
trial.
them. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. If he says yes. All right, got it. Thank you. All right. Bye. Okay, so the other two do not have appointments,
That's cool.
but if he said if, because Attorney Boffman is on Greer.
Okay,
If Boffman wants these two,
he can have it.
he can have them, we can set it up.
Okay.
But Boffman is not here yet, so you want me to try to contact
I'll
him?
reach out to him.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor, I just texted the trooper. I'll wait because he didn't pick up. So I texted him and I'm gonna wait for him to get back to me. In the interim, I'm just gonna hop over to my other courtroom and check in with the officers and come back. And I think, Mr. Carpenter, did they already put the plea on the record, Your Honor?
Carpenter.
Reese Carpenter's client, Mr. Lloyd, is it Lloyd Golden? He advised by text that they were going to take the offer to failure to display and dismiss the balance.
I sent him on. Yeah, the officer's gone. He failure to display.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Well, it's like that.
Corporal Williams, good morning to you. Mr. Guest never appeared.
Good morning. Okay, thank you.
Feel free to leave. Be safe.
You too.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lawson. I have two Lawsons. One Lawson. I have two Lawsons.
Well, I'm Alexis Lawson.
Lexus Lawson. Who's the other Lawson? What's your date of birth?
11/28/2001.
All right. What is your client needs an appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Lawson, I'm going to set a pretrial up for August 13th, 2026. That date is set so that the attorney has an opportunity to contact you. All I need to ask you to do is answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Good job.
Thank you.
I made that 8 shit show.
This is the city of Detroit versus Mariano Gibson. Case numbers SP 188-52002, SP 192-3300, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Mariano Gibson.
And here is on behalf of Mr. Gibson.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gibson. Today is the date and time is set for a show cause on the one matter for purposes of arraignment. Counselor.
My client stands mute.
All right, the other matters in warrant status. I'll enter a not guilty plea, recall the warrants, give them a $0 bond. There's a no ops and an improper display of plate. He has an old failure to stop that went along with the improper display of plate, but we that's too old. Wait a minute. I'll allow him to be heard on the failure to stop if the city has no objection. So improper display of plate, failure to stop, no ops, and then the docketed matter of illegal transport of marijuana. Mr. Gibson, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to come out. Mr. Greer, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Boffman. He's gonna try to work this out for you. The officers are here. Good morning to you, Mr. Boffman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Greer. Sorry to be late.
All right. That's all right. On the Samsung, can you unmute yourself and start your video and state your name, please? Samsung.
Latanya Lester.
Not you, Ms. Lester.
Okay. You want me to go back on mute?
You can, Tal. You're coming up next. Samsung, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please. We'll put you out the room, Samsung. If you can't unmute yourself, start your camera. I'm sending you the prompts. Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name, please? Unmute yourself. Oh, that's Gerald Laws. Take your hat off. Good morning.
Were
to
you
you.
ready for me yet, sir?
Not yet, Miss Lester.
Okay.
You need to
I
put
thought
a
you
better
thought this
top on, man. You need to put a more appropriate top on. You, Miss Lester. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gondor. Ms. Gondor, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Trial, Your Honor. I've informed Attorney Horn. And as to Mr. Green, Your Honor, she has reached out to the state trooper to get the, apparently there's a video.
Absolutely. All right. Do you need to speak with Ms. Gondor anymore regarding the trial or any preparation?
No, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Latanya Lester, case number SP 1922571. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lester.
Latanya Lynn Lester.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lester, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
That's what you want, Mr. Gibson?
Yes.
Come back on, August the 13th at 8:30. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay, now I do the Zoom again, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Octavian Lewis, case number SP 1924256, counts 1, 2, and 3. And U 7270535. Appearance for the record, please.
On behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Where's Octavian Lewis? Unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name. Octavian Lewis.
No, the shit keep jumping off.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Octavian Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Since I've already had my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He missed some other show cause dates. He owes $240. He's supposed to have HIV STD testing in a misdemeanor morality class. And I don't see anything. He owes the 240. Mr. Lewis, speak with Ms. Harris in the breakout room. The other matters that he missed is a disregarding a red signal, a no insurance misdemeanor, and a defective brakes. And then the other stuff I mentioned. Speak to Mr. Lewis, Ms. Harris on the breakout room. She may attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. You spoken to Miss, she keeps falling off. All right, what about Miss Gondor? You had a question, Miss Gondor?
Yes, Your Honor, I was wondering when will the trial date be?
To now, we're gonna get this officer in here right now.
Okay.
Mr. Barry, can you get in touch with Miss Horn? Tell her we need her in here ASAP, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have that other one.
Have you finished this, Lester,
Don't let him come
Mr.
out. I'm on the phone.
Have you finished talking to Miss Lester, Mr. Barry? She can't seem to get it right either.
I have so informed Attorney Horn, Your Honor. She indicates that she's tied up and she's looking at another 10 minutes.
Did you finish talking with Miss Lester, Mr. Berry?
Yes, no.
She kept falling
Oh,
off.
Miss Lester fell off. She fell off, Your Honor.
You need to speak with her again, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, she continues to fall off.
Let me get that one for the Hill Boy.
I'm sorry, what?
Let me get that printout for the old boy. Please.
Miss Lester was not in the breakout room.
No, she wasn't. She continues to fall off. You signed on?
I am.
I'm gonna make you host.
Okay,
I'm gonna go to the
sure.
to the chambers. That your host now, right?
I believe so, yes.
I think we have everyone that's here. Anything I can bring you back?
No, thank you. Thank you. Okay.
I'll sign in from the.
From in there. Okay, no problem.
And Madam Clerk, while Judge is doing that, I'm gonna step away really quickly. If he comes back, before I get back, can you let him know that I'm stepped away for a second?
For sure, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
And Madam Clerk, just please give me a call when I get back. I got some pressing issues going on in my other courtroom. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm back, Madam Clerk.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Are we ready on anyone?
Your Honor, Prosecutor Horn was here and then said she had to go back to her other courtroom for pressing issues. So just to let you know.
Can we get a SOS check on Greer, please?
Sure.
I don't understand what's more pressing. It's all pressing. Can you give Ms. Horn co-host ability, please?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And Judge, I have not heard back from Hardaway.
All right, what about Ross?
Devontae Ross, I did hear back from him. We're gonna move for dismissal on that. It's an allowing, so yeah.
All right,
Your Honor,
let's go back on the record with Ms. Gondor. Ms. Gondor, your case is going to be dismissed, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you.
Greer is valid.
Thank you.
Okay. Are you there, Mr. Berry? Let's go back on the
Yes,
record
Your Honor.
with Mr. Cartavion Green. Mr. Green, here's what we're gonna do. That matter was in the middle of a trial. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna appoint you this attorney. I'm gonna appoint you this attorney. We're gonna set a pretrial date. We will make sure that we get that the camera video so your appointed attorney can go over it with you. And then if necessary, we'll set another trial formal hearing date, all right?
Yes, sir. I remember you gave me 2 court dates. You gave me one for today, and I believe you gave me one for the 7th.
Let me see. No, I think you just have the one. You just have the one. So now we'll reset it to the 13th. Come back on the 13th, answer the calls. This is 70, this 2122 number.
Yes, sir.
Come back, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. And then I'm gonna mark the file looking for video. So that way, hopefully we can have that video when your attorney shows the next time as well. So ask the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the 13th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Green, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a nice day as well.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus I didn't bring Gerald Laws's file. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit. No, I think it's the state of Michigan, or let's see.
I can run it to you.
Don't worry about that. I'll print out the
Okay.
the sheet here. City of Detroit versus Gerald Laws, Mr. Berry, case number SP 1922756, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1922770, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Laws. You have to unmute, Mr. Laws.
Cheryl Laws.
Good morning to you, sir. And we'll have SP 1082706 that matter was in, that matter's closed out. Appearance for the record, please. All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Delzacchio did appear. Mr. Laws, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Put him in the breakout room. I think I may be able to do that. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Atavion Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Current offer is that he can admit responsibility to blocking traffic, with the remaining matters dismissed, understanding that there is still a balance on the disorderly conduct, and he's respectfully requesting community service in lieu of any fines and cost.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
What about the testing? Have you done that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And where is that?
I will have to log into my chart to get the paperwork, or I can go to the hospital and get it and bring it to the court.
And what about the misdemeanor morality class?
I have it costs that's another thing. It costs like $100 to do it, and I'm overflow with bills right now. So
no, that it is not overflow with bills. You're gonna have to figure it out.
I know I do, but I'm trying to figure it out. I got like over like 2,000 in bills and like in tickets that I have to pay. So I'm trying, and I'm on probation right now, so I'm paying court costs for that, and I'm paying restitution over there too, so I can stay free. But I'm trying my best. Most definitely, I am.
All right. So let me ask, what do you want to do? Community service for this 242?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. With that stipulation, I find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service. You want to do community service for everything?
Is that possible?
Yeah. 12, 24, 30, 36, 42 hours of community service.
I can do that.
We'll clear everything. And you have to get that misdemeanor morality class.
Okay.
And then have the stuff ready to email to me. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. Email it to me and make so we can make it a smooth thing. I'll have it ahead of time and I'll have it in your file.
Okay.
All right. All right, email it to me. Take the email address down. I'm going to give you until August the 26th, 2026 to complete the stuff, dismiss the other matters. So 42 hours of community service will clear everything, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Your Honor, I need Laws in the breakout room.
Mr. Laws, you have to join the breakout room.
Okay.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit. I'm going to switch them. This is the city of Detroit versus LaShonda May Gill Boyd. Case number SP 119052231, SP 1356541, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1356541, SP 1398527, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Hello?
Hold on, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I'm here.
SP 1398531, SP 7191541, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 936995 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 967838 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 978329 counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. U 56703320 17382409 18437527 counts 1, 2, and 3. 18514 counts 1 and counts 2. 217 36194 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
LaShonda Gilboy in appearance. Hello?
On behalf of Ms. Boyd.
All right, today is date and time set for a trial. I have the officers listed that did not appear. That would be Officers Vickers, of course, did not appear. Officer Mota did not appear. Officer Maya did not appear. And then there was a 217 cases. I didn't have an officer that I saw that was listed on that. Ms. Boyd, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. She's in there, Ms. Harris. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, I still need Mr. Laws.
Mr. Laws, join the breakout room.
I don't know how to join the breakout room.
You don't see the prompt? Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
So an Joseph Irwin appeared.
Joseph Irwin? Where do you see him?
The U ticket.
No, he didn't.
A Lightfoot
Lightfoot did appear.
and Precious Reed.
She did appear.
Just checking. Thank you.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. Five 420-4716. Good morning to you. Who is this, ma'am?
Mary Gray, Mary Von Gray.
Mary Gray. Why are you so late?
I was having a really hard time figuring out how to do the login, and the number I kept calling, it would just ring and ring. And so I finally got
Mary
yes. If
Cynthia
my
Gray.
first name is Mary Von.
I have Mary Cynthia Gray. Are you Mary Cynthia Gray?
Yes, but my first name is Mary Von Cynthia Gray.
Mary Vaughn Cynthia. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Mary Vaughn Cynthia Gray, case number U74363026. Appearance for the record, please.
Mary Von Gray.
Oh, no, that we'll pass it. He's in the breakout room speaking with another.
Oh, sorry.
Give me a minute, Miss Gray.
Okay.
Are you ready on Mr. Greer? Let's pass the matter. Are you ready on Mr. Greer?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Evan Bryant Greer, case number SP 179-42501, V12014420, V12014520, V12014620, V12014720, V12014820, V12014920, V12015020. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you give your full name, sir, please?
Evan Brian Greer.
All right, today is the date and time is set for a trial. Let's see. Officer Hoskins appeared, and Officer Jackson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Jackson, badge number 3919, 12th precinct.
All right, good morning to you. All right. Have you worked it out, Mr.?
Yes. We have an agreement, Judge. The defendant is going to ask this court to accept a no contest plea here today for the reason that he doesn't have a recollection sufficient enough to make a factual basis. These are 2020 cases, at least the cases to which he's going to enter into the agreement are from 2020. They are that he failed to tether a dog according to the violation submitted in case ending in 4820, that he failed to provide shelter, appropriate shelter, as the allegations set forth in the complaint ending in 4920. And he's also going to admit through a no contest plea the allegations contained in the complaint ending in 4620. So that's 4620, 4820, and 4920. We plead no contest. As to the balance of the matters announced by the court, they will be dismissed as part of today's agreement.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Greer?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Where are you? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry, Mr. Baughman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, you're not going to contest any of these issues that you got these tickets on these date and times, are you?
No.
All right. You stipulate to the faces of the tickets as an accurate factual basis. Further, as no contest pleas. I'll accept the no contest plea due to lack of recollection for a time that it was almost 5 years ago.
Thank you, Your Honor. We so stipulate to the allegations contained within the four corners of each of those three complaints to which the defendant is pleading no contest.
And I'm going to I'll enter a no contest plea as charged to V12014 620, V12014 820, and V12014 920. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fees. I'll fine you for 2 of them. I'll cut your break on the dog restraint.
Can we ask for community service? I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Do you want to do community service? Well, you'll do community service for all of it. It'll be 12, 12, 12, 36, 42 hours of community service.
Yeah, the defendant participates in a group you may well know. Can you tell the judge where you want to do your community service?
It's a group that I graduated from called Farm.
Yeah, we're gonna have you do the community service with Miss Shelton though.
Okay. Understood. I have his information. I will forward that to Ms. Schmidt.
Yeah, we're gonna have that. Put that in the chat, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm very familiar with Farm, but we want to make sure you're in the city of Detroit doing it, and it's going to be through the court. And I'm going to refer you to Miss Shelton.
Okay.
8130 at 96313-965 8130 is the number to Miss Shelton. I do need a good phone number from your client.
I'm sending that now, Your Honor.
It'll be 12 hours of community service for each offense, and then I have another 12 hours of community service. 6 hours of community service for the seatbelt ticket, and you won't owe the court anything upon completion. Now, that's not a delayed sentence either, is it, Mr.?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are they delayed sentence?
Delayed sentence 6 months.
I need a 6-month date, Miss, I mean, you got 6 months to complete the community service. Don't get in any other trouble, like this. And, the cases will be, uh, well, the cases will be dismissed if you do those. Miss,
It's January 27th of 27.
so 1/27 of 2027. All right. I still haven't got the
I got a phone number I sent to you on the chat, Judge.
yeah, I don't see it. You must have sent it.
I sent it to your cell phone. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank
Here,
you.
I can just put it in. I'm going to send you a message to the chat. This is the one I'm on.
All right. Okay, got it.
All right. Okay, Mr. Greer, if it's nothing further, call Ms. Shelton. We're referring this matter to the community service, 6-month delayed, January 27, 2027. Don't get any other trouble. Complete the community service hours and the case will be dismissed. I wish you the best of luck, sir. If you don't have any further questions, have a very good rest of your day.
Could I have her phone? Could I have her phone number, please?
313-965 8130.
Miss Shelton.
Miss Shelton.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Mr.
Your Honor?
Yes.
I need Mr. Laws back in the breakout room.
Mr. Laws, you're gonna have to rejoin the room. Officer Hoskins, you're free to leave. Officer Jackson, you're free to leave. Bill, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. Mr. Boffman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Boffman, Mr. Cartavion Green, can we get him hooked up with Mr. Cartavion Green? Ms. Schmidt?
Yes, yes.
I think we have his number in there.
Okay.
And he's looking for a video. We started a formal hearing last time he was here. Mr. Berry held that formal hearing. And he did where is Mr. Laws? And he was wanting a video about the stop. And can you approach Ms. Horn and get Mr. Boffman, Mr. Green's number, please? And he can call him today and get in touch with him and get Ms. Horn and engage her to find out what if she can get that video. He's
Yes,
supposed
Your
to
Honor.
be back August the 13th.
August the 13th. I
Do
understand.
you have that file, Your Honor? For Curtis?
Wait a minute, I may.
I think you do.
Yeah, I do. Mr. Boffman,
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Green's number is 313-706-2122.
Got it. 313-706-2122.
Yes, if you can give him a contact now, I'd appreciate it. And then reach out to Ms. Horn about the
Hello.
Hello, good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name?
Latanya Lester, Your Honor. When you sent me to the
I
breakout
know
room,
you kept falling off. I got you.
yeah.
All right.
Your Honor, there was another name that
Probably came and put that code in.
Listen, Miss Lester, you got to pay attention. Join the room, please. Mr.
Okay.
Perry, that's Miss Lester.
You got to know. See
All
where,
right.
see where it say
And I
break
still
room?
haven't got
Yeah,
Mr.
you
Laws in the
Yeah,
breakout room.
sorry. We're just not going to worry about Mr. Laws. He's not paying
No.
attention.
Somebody else is talking.
Mr. Boffman?
Did you also want me to speak with LaShonda Gill Boyd?
Well, Miss Harris is speaking with her. We'll get her out of here now.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, though.
Thank you again. Have a great day, everybody. See you next time.
All right.
Bye.
Nickel. And second.
Are we ready on Ms. Gilboy?
Your Honor, I'm putting her plea deal in the chat.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gilboy. Ms. Gilboy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You want to say it out loud, Ms. Harris?
2 counts of failing to display. 1 count of allowing. 2 counts of improper plates. 2 counts failing to display. 1 count of allowing, and 2 improper plates.
You want to take that deal, Ms. Gilboy? You have to unmute yourself, Ms. Gilboy. You got too much background noise. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Ms. Gilboy, press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
I'm here. Yes. Hello, Gilboy. Miss Gilboy is here.
Do you want to take the deal? 2 counts of allowing, 1 count of allowing, 2 counts of improper plate, 1 count of failure to display.
Yes.
You want to take that deal?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
My right hand is raised.
All right, do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You signed it. You executed and read and signed an advice of rights form. Did you not, ma'am?
Yes.
Did you read the form?
I don't. The yellow form.
Yes.
I have that with me.
Did you read it?
I'm reading it now.
All right, I'm going to give you a chance.
Okay.
Let me know when you're done.
All right.
Helps. These are the same rights that I reviewed with you in the breakout room.
Yes, I read it. Yes.
You understand?
Hello? Yes, I understand.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
I didn't have any questions at the time.
Well, if you don't have any questions now, this is your time if you have some.
I don't have any questions.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
They haven't.
All right. Let me draw your attention way back to October 15, 2022 at around 12:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Ravenswood and Grand River. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Was that your 2005 Honda?
Yes, that was.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid insurance and registration and driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You could not do either, could you?
No, I couldn't, Your Honor, at the time. I was living in my vehicle during COVID. I was homeless, and I really wasn't driving. I just needed to keep gas to stay warm and stay cool. I just was driving to the gas station only. I was living out of the vehicle.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have stable housing now, ma'am?
And it's pretty stable for the time being. Yes, I'm looking for a job and work at this moment.
Okay.
I'm on my way to an interview at McDonald's.
Now, do you need somebody, do you need us to bring anybody in here to help you with the housing situation?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's pass it. Let's get Mr. Patel in here.
Your Honor,
Yes.
the same for, we need Mr. Patel for Miss Lester.
For Miss Lester. Okay, very well. I'm gonna, he's usually pretty quick about coming in, ma'am. I'm gonna get him on the, I'm gonna get him in here now, please. All right, let's pass the matters. All right, Miss Lester, same for you, both of you. What I will say is this, I will say I sympathize with you. I know this is one of the more challenging times and probably the most challenging times that you have had in your life. I'm going to be praying for you for that. I always leave, I'll leave you with a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says, the true test of a man, that being man and woman, is not where he or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands is in the times of challenges and controversies. This is, you're in a challenging time, and I do recognize that. That's why we try to identify and we try to get people in here that can help you with that and give you that leg up. This is your test. I don't know why God put this test on you guys, but he did. And I do believe that with a lot of perseverance, a lot of dedication and some help, that you'll definitely get through this. And I hope that light shines brighter sooner rather than later for the both of you. I'm going to immediately get Mr. Patel in here and speak with each one of you, and we'll pass the matters. Okay, let's call the city of Detroit versus Mary Cynthia Gray, who is that's not her full name. I'll let her put her full name on the record, but it's U74363026. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
So here, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
You can press *6, Ms. Gray, to unmute yourself and state your full name for the record, please.
Okay. Hi, my name is Mary Von Gray, for the record.
Spell the Mary Von, please.
Sure, it's all one word. Mary, V as in Victory, ONNE.
All right. Appeared for today is the date and time. It is set for a pretrial, Miss Harris. Get Miss Gray, Miss Harris. Miss Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. Miss Till, good morning to you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Lester first. She was here before you, Miss Gil Boyd. So Miss Lester, join breakout room 7. Miss Till is from Street Democracy Court, and she's the one that we call in to see if we can help you, okay? And then Miss Gray, Miss Till, I'm going to give you the ability to move from the other breakout room. Give Miss Till co-host ability, please, Miss Schmidt. And then Miss Gray, I'm going to put you in Miss Gil Boyd. I'm sorry, Miss Gil Boyd. I'm going to put you in breakout room 8.
All right, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. So you have 2 folks for me today?
2. Miss Lester, that would be Miss LaTanya Lynn Lester.
Okay.
Is in the breakout room 7. And then Miss LaShonda Gil Boyd. Miss LaShonda Gil Boyd, she's dealing with, I would say, she's on the, housing. She has housing. She's looking for employment and things like that now. She has actually on her way to an interview, and we'll make sure that she's not late for that as well. Maybe you want to go see her. I don't know. Try either one.
Okay, I'll bop around. Thank you, Judge.
And hey, Madam Clerk, I think we're all set. Looks like we only have us folks. Oh, I'm sorry.
Where's Laws? Where's Laws?
Right here.
Laws, you need to join the breakout room.
I already joined the breakout room.
We
Are
have
we
spoken, Your Honor. We're
Are we
ready.
ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gerald Laws. Mr. Laws, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to failure to display for the driving while license suspended and improper plates for the no registration charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Improper plates for the no registration. I see. You want to take the deal, Mr. Laws?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Now you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to, what is that? Failure to display and an improper plate?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Your Honor, correct.
Let me draw your attention back to June 8th, 2026, around 2:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Kemper. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and registration.
Yes, sir.
You could not do either, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because I ain't have it, sir.
Very well. Find them guilty of the amended count of failure to display and find them guilty of the amended count of allowing 200. I mean, I'm not going to fine you. Listen, Mr. Laws, you
Yes,
already
sir.
owe the court over thousands and thousands of dollars. Mr. Laws, I'm going to cut you this last break. Don't get in any other trouble. Stop driving.
Yes, sir.
Because if you get into some more trouble, we're going to clear all of this up. Well, not all of it, because I can't clear the civil infractions up with jail time, but we're going to clear some stuff up with jail time, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. You could pay the rest of that stuff off. You owe the court thousands. Don't come back in here, Mr. Laws, with this driving stuff again.
Yes, sir.
Have a great day.
All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Mary Von Gray. Miss Mary Von Gray, is this the best number to reach you at, the one you call on?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I need you to answer the call you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
Man, can you call the insurance thing? I'm trying.
All right, if you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Just one second. When is the next court date?
Oh, I'm sorry. August the 13th at 9 a.m. at 8:30 a.m. August the 13th, 8:30 a.m.
Perfect. And I do the same thing I did to log in as this
Yeah,
time?
it'd be better if you can log in where we can see you.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll have that figured out.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye.
Yeah, well, that includes the other cases that she had also.
I only see one. Maybe.
When you look her up, there are other cases that are in warrant status.
Maybe it's because it's under Mary Vaughn. Yep.
I think there are 3 that are in warrant status.
We should have seen that she wanted to go to drug treatment court. You already got your Starbucks, didn't you?
I did.
Oh, is it doing you any good?
Yes. And no, but yes.
Okay.
I think you need more than one, so
What?
I'll need another one. This was a small one.
Oh. Well, you should have got a large anyway then. I hate to ask what a small one costs. What is this? All right. All right, here I'm coming back down.
Oh,
This one here, these are done. That's a dismissal. That's cleared up. That's Green. Rothman. This one here, she's got two. This is done. It's on the back side.
okay, okay. And this is the one where she had the extra stuff.
Yeah,
Okay,
she needs to change the name that Mary
I
to
got you.
Mary Vaughn, and then all of them should pull up
Okay,
on the
I got it.
same document. All right. Are we ready, Ms. Till?
Yes, I believe we are. I believe that Samsung device is Miss Lester.
Yeah. Let's
If
go
we
back on
have-
the record. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lester. Miss Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? You think you would want to be a part of the program, Miss Lester?
Miss Lester, are you able to unmute and turn your camera on?
Where's Miss Lester?
Miss Lester, are you? There you
Yes,
are.
I'm here.
Miss Lester?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Are you, you want to be a part of the program?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I do.
All right, good. All right, good. Go ahead, Miss Till.
Yes, Your Honor, we're requesting a return. I believe Miss Lester would be an excellent candidate. Her return, I'm asking for a return date of 9/22/26 for Miss Lester.
9/22/26. I won't be here.
Oh, all right. Do you
I
have
won't be
another,
here.
do you have another date that week that works for you?
Either before the 22nd or after the 2nd of October.
Let's see a second.
Can we make sure those dates are blocked off? I won't be here the 20 from the 21st on.
Okay, does Monday let's do Tuesday the 6th at 8:30.
Of October,
Yes.
October the 6th, 8:30. You heard everything I said, right, Miss Lester?
Yes, sir, I'm writing it down right now.
No, I'm talking about what I talked about, Dr. Martin Luther King and the light being shone. You
Yes,
heard
sir.
all?
Yes, sir.
Listen,
Yes, sir.
I do pray deeply for you, ma'am, and I'll continue to pray for you. And I'm sure you're gonna get through this. I just hope it's sooner rather than later, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. You have a blessed day.
All right, you have a better one. Thank you. All right. Did you speak to Miss you're free to leave, Miss Lester.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I still gotta hop in the breakout room with Miss Boyd.
Please go. She's got an interview.
Okay.
Hi.
I still have co-host abilities?
Yes.
Okay.
I think she's an 8. And then who else do we have? Oh, Greer's done.
I did send that request last week, but they haven't barred those days out yet.
Right. Is anybody else there? Is everybody else gone? I think so.
I think so.
Oh, you corrected that one sheet for Miss Mary Vaughn Gray. We'll put all that on one sheet.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I wrote them on both of them just to,
Yeah, no, I will make sure it's all
okay,
together. Yep,
thank you.
yep. Okay, they're all corrected now.
You mean to write it on the summary or you got it?
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna keep them all
Okay, very
together.
good. We're just waiting on Miss Gil Boyd. I know she had the deal, but she needed to, she's talking to them about street court.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. I just switched devices. I did hear that. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gil Boyd. Miss Till, could you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P 83961, appearing on behalf of LaShonda Gil Boyd, who is present in the courtroom via phone.
Okay, so Miss Gil Boyd, how was your conversation?
My conversation was great.
Good, good. So we're gonna be a participant in street court? Ms.
Yes,
Gilboy? Okay.
yes,
All right.
I can be participation in street court to help have these ticket paid so I can have my license reinstated.
And also, Ms. Boyd, on behalf of the prosecution, also so that you can address the issues that cause you at risk for the situation you're in. So it's a really great program.
Yes.
I'm also the prosecutor for this specialty court.
Okay.
We did have an offer. I don't know if we want to keep the offer or just wait and get through the court, get through the case. How do you want to proceed, Ms. Till?
I would request that we put Miss Boyd's court date on the same date as Miss Lester, that 10/6/26 date at 8:30.
And we just get a new offer at that time, right? Or when she gets through the program, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. And the goal is to have these matters dismissed and for her to be on higher ground.
Okay, I see one matter that's affecting Miss Gil Boyd's ability, at least with the 36th District Court, to get a license. That's a no insurance proof. In light of the circumstance, I am going to waive the $45 reinstatement fee for that, so that you can potentially set yourself up to get a license.
Yes. Is there any way I could pay that no proof of insurance ticket so that I could go and retake my license test and have my license
I'm trying
reinstated?
to do you one better, Miss Gilboy.
Okay.
Waive reinstatement fee. I'm not supposed to do that, but I guess we all do things we're not supposed to do, right? SP 1190483. I'll waive the reinstatement fee on that. Hopefully that at least gets you clearances here at the 36th District Court. I don't see anything else affecting your ability to get a license. So try to go get a license after this. And if you don't get a license, then we will then ask them for a printout of everything that's affecting your license. If you then you could check to see if that's hopefully this will help you. I'll give you the October 6th date, 2026 at 8:30. And I hope you heard everything I said earlier. I will be praying for you, ma'am, and I will be praying that you get the job too, okay?
Okay.
All right, so good luck with that.
All right, and then Ms. Gilboyd, I will text you that court date and information. So you're all set to go to your job interview.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Best of luck. Yeah.
All right, great to see you, Your Honor. I'll see you tomorrow.
Always. Okay, good. Well, I don't know who you have tomorrow. She's gone.
I have an issue here though.
All right. What is that?
For this Roderick Goodson, and you had the summary, I found the file was in the show cause and it's different dates of birth. This one is Wayne, D-A-W, and the person that was scheduled for show cause is D-W. They're different dates of birth. Different, so I'm not sure.
What about driver's license?
Yeah, different driver's license number as well.
Did Roderick Goodwin come in? I don't think he even made it, did he? That was the other day, huh?
No, this was just now.
I don't think he came in.
Roderick Goodson was here.
Yeah, Roderick Goodson.
Roderick Goodson.
His middle name is Dwayne. That's it's the same name across the board, except for the middle name is spelled different. They have different date of birth and different, this is the file for who was scheduled for today. This is the summary you printed, and who, when you talked to him, he didn't dispute any of those.
Who had good, well, we need to get into the appointed attorney on this.
And I believe that's what you did, Your Honor.
Yeah, we did get an appointed attorney, but he has a high BAC case.
Which is a totally different, because that's what I was looking, as I'm looking for this case, and it's not.
It's like his dad, huh?
Yeah, that's what it looks like to me.
He needed an attorney anyway.
Yes, he did.
And that we didn't have him on the docket, so his dad needs to come in. This will be separate then.
Okay, so that's the one who appeared.
Yeah.
This one did not
We'll keep
appear.
his.
Okay,
And then
okay,
that one did not appear.
okay.